Okay, so we are going to start by downloading the file through the URL given in the email. I'm going to copy the URL and paste it here. And here we are able to download the file. It would be downloaded as a zip that we can extract. If you are on Windows, you will be able to extract directly. You just need to right click and then select extract here. If you are on Mac or on Linux, you will need a software like either WinRAR or 7-zip. I am going to copy the file from here. Let's move it somewhere more suitable. And let's extract it here. Now that it's extracted, we need Node to run it. So I am going to go back to the browser and I need to search for Node.js download. Here I need to skip Docker. You don't need to change anything, you just need to directly click Windows installer here. If you are on Mac or something else, you will get a relevant installer button. Now after the file is downloaded, I will go back to the downloads folder. Let's select open a new window here and I will double click to open the installer. Now I already have Node installed, but you don't have to do anything special. You can just keep clicking next until it reaches the install. It would then install Node and then give you just a finish option. So anyway, I am going to skip the installer because I have Node installed already. You just have to double click the installer and keep clicking next until it reaches the install. It would then install and give you a finish button. So let's click cancel here. And now what I am going to do is I am going to go back to the folder where I extracted the file, and on Windows I need to click the path shown here. I need to click the empty area after the path shown here, and here I am going to type CMD and then I would press enter. If you are on Mac and Linux, the steps may be different. Do let me know if you are using a different OS. I will explain the relevant steps. Here I need to type npm install. This is a simple command. You just need to copy paste npm install and then you press enter. It could take a few minutes depending on your internet connection, but it's going to download all relevant dependencies and will allow you to continue. I'm just going to skip the video here. Okay, so the install is complete. Now I need to run another command called npm run start, or you can just copy paste the command. and there the project is started. The next time you need to run it, you just need to run npm run start. So the same steps would be followed. I am going to open the folder, click the empty space here, type cmd, and after that window is opened, I just need to type npm run start. Now after the software is opened, I am going to click start browser. It's going to redirect automatically to Torn. What you need to do is wait a few seconds. If the captcha shows up, you will need to click the checkbox, and after you have bypassed the human verification, you will be redirected to the Torn's login page. Okay, so it's opened. I am going to click login. You need to log in using whatever credentials are available, and after you have logged in, I am going to go back here. You don't need to close the browser. Keep the browser open. Go back to the software, select any country and click travel. You need to ensure that you are logged in before you click travel. The next time you open and click start browser, you will be already logged in. But you need to ensure that each time you check that you are logged in, select a country here and click travel. And it's going to start a loop that runs automatically until you click stop. So I am going to go through these steps once more. Let's close the browser, close the software and the command prompt. I just need to go to the folder I used previously. Click the empty space here, type cmd, type npm run start. Okay, I opened the wrong folder. Cmd npm run start. And now just click start browser to start the browser, select any country and then you can just click travel. So that's it. Those are the steps you need to follow in order to run the bot. Do let me know if you have any feedback or you receive any issues while running the bot. If you need to reach me, you can just use the email you received the bot from. Good luck and thanks for helping me with my work.